Hey there! Wanna know how you can make money on TikTok by turning 15-second video into $10,000 a month or more from dropshipping on TikTok? Yeah, you heard that right. TikTok dropshippers are raking in 6 to 7 figures a year just by selling trending products with short, catchy content. So if you're scrolling reels all day anyway, why not learn how to make money on TikTok? Stick around because I'm breaking it all down step by step in this video. Alright. TikTok isn't just a dancing app anymore. It's a massive marketing machine that can help you earn thousands. With over 1.5 billion monthly users, TikTok's algorithm can make anyone go viral overnight, even if you're just starting out. And if you're into online stores or dropshipping, TikTok is the place to be. Why? Because TikTok isn't just entertaining, it's a full-blown shopping platform now. People don't just scroll anymore. They scroll, they see, they want, and they buy. Here's where it gets wild. According to recent numbers, the average TikTok user spends from $80 to $150 per order on impulse buys. That's because users aren't just searching for products anymore. The products find them and instantly catch attention. And that's the magic sauce. Some TikTok dropshippers report profit margins of 20 to 40% thanks to trending low-cost items going viral. In fact, in 2024 alone, TikTok helped generate over $20 billion in e-commerce sales, and it's only going up in 2025. So how does this whole shopping on TikTok thing even work? There are two ways: the complicated and the simple one. The complicated one, in my view, is definitely TikTok Shop because although it's promoted as a turnkey solution, it's so not. It's a rocket science for those who've never known marketing before. Like, I've never done dropshipping before, especially with TikTok, so how would I know what products to tag, what videos to make, what descriptions to use, and so on and so forth. A single viral video can bring hundreds of orders overnight, but how do I make such a video? Moreover, you'll need business registration info, product certifications, video ads ready to go, fulfillment system in place, and a whole bunch of patience that I've never possessed, of course. I tried it, but I gave up after I understood how much time and effort it would take. I've, however, found another turnkey solution that is actually turnkey, with videos and products that have already gone viral, with ready links, with everything prepared for your store. That's exactly how you can make money on TikTok in 2025, and it's the model that includes both dropshipping and TikTok. Way more control. And yeah, it works even better and brings bigger results. Here are 5 things you must do. Unlock Sellvia's TikTok store tool in your store. If you're on a free trial, that's totally fine because Sellvia still gives you access to all the tools. Download the ready-to-use profile template for your account. Grab any ready-to-convert viral videos from the big pool of videos or all at once and start uploading to your account. Wait for the views, visit, and purchases to come quickly, or boot this whole process with turnkey TikTok ads that are also here in your marketing tools in your dashboard. Chill, because that's what I'm normally doing with my store. Now, if you're quite lazy to get all this done by yourself, because it all sounds like a lot of work, finding the right products and trends and marketing tricks to drive sales from TikTok, keep in mind that there is always this shortcut that is effective. Sellvia TikTok tool actually made it like 10 times easier for me, although I'm pretty sure I'd achieve success on my own too. I just don't see anything bad in relying on something that already works. So yeah, this is how you make money on TikTok in 2025. Quite easy and interesting, but still effective. Check out the links in the description below for all the tools, tips, and TikTok-related content you need to get started. Ask any questions, write your opinion about TikTok. Thanks for watching this video. I hope it helped. Catch you in the next one. Bye!